Hello everyone. Let us learn today different types of sets in this video. Also we will try to learn what are equal sets. Let us see the types of sets. So the first one we call it as empty set or null set. As the word itself indicate, empty means nothing. Nothing is there in the vessel. So such set which does not have any element in it is known as null set, and it is written as A equals to curly bracket without any element, or null set symbol we write down. If you want to write in this set as 0, then you have to cancel that 0 because 0 is an element. Therefore, empty set means it does not have any element in it. Let us see the second one, that is called as singleton set. Again, name indicates singleton set means single element. For example, set A has one element as A, or we can also say that a set of even prime number, or we can solve this set B such that the element of set B such that 3x minus 1 equals to 2. When you simplify this, you will get x equals to 1. That means set B is also a singleton set. Clear? The set of even prime number, only one elements come in that. That is also an example of a singleton set. Then we call it as next as finite set. Finite set means the number of element present in a set are countable. We can complete the counting of the elements which are given to you in the set. Such sets are called as finite set. For example, set of the students in your own class. We have a roll numbers first to last, so the number of the students are counted there. That's why we call them as a finite set. Let us take one more example. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we can count them. The number of element present in set A here is only 5. Therefore, we call them as a finite set. Fourth one, infinite set. As the number indicates, the number cannot be counted. The number of element cannot be counted, means it keeps on going, increasing. For example, leaves on the tree. Can you count them? It's very difficult. Very high number will come. That's why we call them as a infinite set. Sand particle, number of sand particle in a bottle, you will not able to count them. That's why we call them infinite set. Number of natural numbers, you can take it, set of natural numbers which also can keep on counting. It will never ending number, so that's why we can keep on counting. How do we indicate that in a listing form? A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot. Similarly, you can give all the ample examples for infinite set. For example, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational number, set of irrational number. All this comes under infinite set. Also, we should know that if there is an empty set, they come under finite set. Why? Because the number of element in set is 0. That's why we say that set A is a finite set. Now we will learn what do you mean by equal sets. Equal word means what? The two sets which are equal. Now what are the conditions are there? When the two sets have same elements, then the two sets are equal sets. More elaborated form, Let us take two sets A and B. They will be equal only when the every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is also in set A. Then we say that set A is equals to set B. Every set is a equal set of its own because the number of element and the elements will be same. Let us see one example for it. State whether the following sets are equal or not. Here we have A such that X is an element of set A such that X is the letter of word listen. So, the second set they have given B, Y is an element of set B such that the Y is a letter of word silent. Now, to know that if we convert them in a listing form, then it will be easy for us to decide. So, let us convert set A in a listing form. So, I will get set A equals to L, I, S, T, E, N. As you know, all the elements have come and the elements are not repeated. I hope you remember that the element of any set are not repeated during writing time. Similarly, we can also say that number of element in set A as 6. We have set B S, I, L, E, N, T and we have number of element in set B as 6. So, as we have defined it, the number of element in both the sets are same, that is 6 and 6. Whether the elements are same or not, that we have to check it. We have to check it. For that, what we will do, set B I will write in the arranged form as in the form of A. Now you can say that whatever the elements set A has, the same elements are there in set B. The B blue color is not necessary to be written, but for your convenience, for you to understand, I have written in a same order. The element should be present in set A and B, but not necessary that in a same order as it is said. Therefore, we can say that set A is equals to set B.